In this video, we are going to make the surprise pinata cake. So here I have taken almost 200 gram of chopped white chocolate. Yes, right now I have taken less, but you have to take total 200 gram. I have melted it using double boiler. You can melt it in microwave. Then here I have taken a small round shaped pinata mold. This is available online and you can also buy it from stores. Into this melted white chocolate I am adding some drops of yellow food gel color. You can skip this or you can add any color that you want. Then pour the melted white chocolate into this pinata mold. Remember to cover the sides very nicely with this melted chocolate. Just swirl the chocolate around the whole edges. Then you can remove the excess chocolate into the same bowl. Then refrigerate the mold for at least 10 minutes. The first layer of chocolate is nicely set. It's time to coat it for the second time. Again pour some same white chocolate and swirl it around. During the second coating, remember to concentrate on the sides very nicely. Again refrigerate for 10 minutes. It's nicely set. Now to remove the chocolate, first release the edges very nicely. You need to be very careful and patient at this time. Flip it over and just try to fold the edge of the silicone mold, and using that folded edge just remove the whole mold. This is done. Now for the second hemisphere, the first hemisphere is done of the pinata cake and now it's time for the second hemisphere. Follow the same steps. So both are done. Now we will make some pancake for our surprise inside gift. So take half cup of maida or wheat flour. Then add almost 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Half teaspoon of baking powder followed by 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift this nicely. Now gradually add 1/4 cup of warm milk. Remember the milk should be warm, it should not be cold. Then almost 1.5 tablespoon of melted butter. I am using salted one. You can also use unsalted, but salted tastes just fantastic with pancakes. Now grease some oil on your pan, heat it up for a few seconds and pour the pancake batter over it. Cook it until you see bubbles on the top of the pancake. It will take 2 to 3 minutes and cook it on low flame. Flip it and on other side again cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. So this is done and now I am cutting it into a round shape because my pinata mold is round. So the mold I have taken is very small, so I need a very small pancake. Also remember to eat the leftover pancake because this is very soft and buttery. So I have placed the mold using some whipping cream at the bottom and you have to refrigerate it for 10 minutes again so that the mold is nicely set with the bottom whipping cream. And on the top again I am adding some whipping cream. You can add ganache or whatever you like, even Nutella. Then some crushed biscuits. Also you can make a ready-made cake instead of pancake. Some sprinkles I am adding and a biscuit. Now heat up a pan for few seconds and place the other half circle on the pan for few seconds and then place it on this other half so that it gets stick nicely. I have also knotted a ribbon around this just so it looks beautiful, and using fondant I have written this XOXO. You can skip this or you can also stick small hearts or drizzle some melted chocolate and then add sprinkles or biscuits, crushed biscuits. Now let's break this using a pinata hammer. Instead of cake, you can also add some chocolates like Dairy Milk, Kit Kat, Ferrero Rocher, whatever you like. And also, if you do not have a pinata hammer, you can also use a plastic or a wooden scale to break it. So this pancake is also very tasty. Do not forget to eat it.